Welcome back to Hassan Basot Electricals. Yeah, we have designed the rat online starter, forward and reverse running. As you are seeing, this is how the wiring is done. So first of all, let's check the single line diagram, the drawing, and see how the drawing is. So as you are seeing, this is a forward and reverse running single line diagram, and then this is how it is. So as you are seeing, this is our power coming to the overload relay. So from the overload relay to the stop button, and then stop button, normally forward and reverse is one stop button which controlling the two, both the forward and the reverse running. And then we have our one stop button, and we have start button, one start button for the forward and other one for the reverse start button. So from the stop button to the reverse start button, from the reverse start button to auxiliary contactor, from auxiliary contactor to the coil of the contactor, which is A1 and A2, and then from this the same stop button to the forward start button, from the forward start button to auxiliary contactor, which is reverse auxiliary contactor, from reverse auxiliary contactor to the coil of the contactor, which is A1 and A2, and the A2 connection is for the neutral connection. So this is how the forward and the reverse single line diagram is. So when you follow the drawing or the circuit, the single line diagram, you can do your own design of the forward and reverse running. So this is how the drawing is. So let's go and check how we did the wiring, as you are seeing. Yeah, so normally you see this contactor is our forward contactor, and this contactor is our reverse contactor. So as you are seeing, we have one stop button here, we have one stop button, and we have two start button, which is this one, and then this one is two stop button. So this start button is for the is for the reverse, and then this start button is for the forward running. And then as you are seeing, we have indicator bulbs here. So when you start the forward forward running, when you press the start button of the forward and the contactor is switched on, when the contactor is switched on, you see that this bulb, it will light, and then immediately you press the stop button, it will go off. And then when you start the reverse start button, which is this one, when the contactor is switched on, you see that this indicator bulb, it will come on. So this is how it will be. So when you press this start button, this indicator bulb will come on and the contactor is switched on, which is reverse. And then when you stop the reverse and start the forward, you see that this indicator bulb, it will come on, and then this contactor, it will switch on. So let's test it and see. We're on our main supply. So let's press the forward and see. As you are seeing, you see that the forward contactor is switched on and the indicator bulb, it comes on. So when you stop it, the forward contactor, and press the reverse contactor, you see that it also contactor is switched on, and then the bulb, it's light. So immediately you press the stop button, you see that the reverse also will go off. When you repress it, this one, this one, this one. So this is how the forward and the reverse running is. So please, after watching, like, share and subscribe for more uploads. Thank you for watching Hassan Bosot Electricals. Bye.